Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're unboxing and setting up the versatile all-purpose laptop table. This ergonomic table enhances your workspace and provides optimal comfort while working or lounging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unboxings, reviews, and tech-related content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Movable multipurpose laptop table. The product is easy to assemble and of high quality. The design is smart and sturdy, providing a stable surface for a variety of activities. Another significant benefit is portability. When not in use, I can quickly fold and store it, due to its compact form. The footrest makes the job easier and more comfortable. To summarize, a fantastically gorgeous table for your work and studies. Its features include 3 angle adjustments, 5 height adjustments, and cantilever design. Get a favorable angle to keep your stuff. Adjust the height, as per sitting arrangement. Massages your feet, and makes your working hours more comfortable. If you're interested in purchasing this laptop table, check the link in the description for product details. Hit the notification bell to be alerted whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.